In this video, I'll be showing you how to submit a quality request for a quote. To start, you go to the New RFQ tab in the top left, and you start by providing us a description and specifications of the product. You want to include things like dimensions, materials, colors, packaging information, quantities you'd like to see a price break at, and a link to the same product or something similar online. This then runs through our data-driven technology, which helps us select the most specialized factories in our network, not just the factories that can make it. Next, you enter the quantity of your first expected order and any associated files and pictures by uploading them here. After that, you can repeat these steps to enter as many RFQs as you'd like. We do service clients globally, so it's important to know where this is going, because different parts of the world have different standards. For example, a large shirt in China is not the same as a large shirt in the US. Hit submit and we'll start getting you quotes right away.